Hey guys, this is Sonal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something very exciting. I'm really excited to share with you guys. So on Nykaa, Too Faced has launched and I've spoiled myself a bit and I've ordered Too Faced product. Look at this packaging. Very sturdy and very safe. So हम अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को निकालेंगे अभी एंड आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. So ये guys, these are the product. I'm really excited to open these products. I'm trying for the first time. So this is Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara, which very famous. I've heard so much good thing about this. This is a waterproof one I've ordered. And this is retail price. Where is the price? This is 1050. Yeah, this is the inner packaging. Looks like this is very cute and very good packaging. Very thick bond. Very good. Second product which I've ordered, this Better Than Sex eyeliner, Too Faced का 24-hour non-facing long wear, waterproof, easily glide formula, intense pigment load. So I really like pen tip liner. I always use this. I can't use a liquid liner very good, so I use these kind of liners. And I really love Maybelline Gigi Hadid liner, but that is not available in India now. That is for a limited edition. So I've ordered this to try if this is that good or not. This is the inner packaging, and this retails for 1700. Yeah guys, 1700. Can you see guys the tip? It's very smooth and very pigmented, very intense black. I'm really excited, really excited to try this pen liner. My third product is this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Prime Set Refresher. So this is a 3-in-1 with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, skin reviver. Yeah guys, this is a setting spray, silicone free, alcohol free, oil free, 100% solid makeup band and smoother, hydrate 100%, didn't transfer. Oh, this is a very good claim. We will try this if it's transfer proof or not, and 100% flawless. So yeah, and this is a mini. So and this retails for 1200. This is a 30 ml. In this there is second variant which is 120 ml I think, and that is for 2400. This is the inner packaging. Looks like packaging is very good, peachy and white, really nice. Very nice fragrance also in this, very coconut fragrance. So with these 3 products there is offer going on. If you buy 3000 products, you will get this pouch, this really good rose gold pouch, and 1 mascara in 6 ml. This is a Damn Girl for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. 97% full on volume, 100% intense black, long wearing razor, long lasting curls. So yeah guys, this I have received free with my order. These 2, oh my god, look at this inner packaging guys, really diamond feel packaging. Oh my god, you can see the bond, very nice. So yeah guys, these are the product which I have ordered. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the video. Bye bye. Like, comment and share.